shift manager with Scottish Newcastle Breweries, and I retired 22 years ago. So in actual fact, I retired to enjoy myself, and that's what I've been doing for 22 years. I've never worked since. I've bowled all the time, and other activities with my daughter, etc., etc. But that's me. I'm being quite honest with you, I've been up here 34 years. It's not deteriorated, but there is this might sound to you, it could be argumentative, it could be any way you like, but you know, there is a lot of now houses that went to rent and that, and you didn't care where you're getting. That's the only thing that thing with me, because some landlords just, as long as you're getting the dough in, that's it. If I was going to do anything, I'd cut all these bloody trees down in the street, because used to you could look anywhere, but now people have planted them and they piss off, right? And you're left with the tree. So that's like colonies, that's right. They were actually built for their artisan workers, kind of community workers, and that's how they were started off. They're close knit. And the point is, what they always said is, colony houses are actually supposed to be some of the safest houses to live in, because you have a tenement there which is looking onto you, and you have other people over here looking. So that's how undesirables are they're taking a chance, like, can go into here.